मिनिस्टर एमए ने भी कन्विंस किया और उन्होंने स्टेटमेंट किया कि देवयानी गुने बिल्कुल कोई दिया. Further, the victim's family reportedly was confronted in numerous ways. This statement is clearly reflecting their mental state. It is confirmed the conspiracy, and to cap it again, it is attack on the sovereignty. It is amount to saying that Indian government is not protecting their citizens. That's why we protect from sitting in the New York. It amount to say that Indian courts are not giving justice, they silence the witness, that is why we give them protection. This is nothing but a blatant attack on the judiciary of the India. इसलिए ले गई, यानी ये देखो कोइंसिडेंस देखो कि Sangeeta Richard made the application for the visa. Sangeeta Richard made the signature in the visa. She was twice interviewed by the UN officers. Then if there is a fraud, where is Devyani? Because Devyani just allowed her to use her computer. It has been rampant and incorrect. Some focus should appear perhaps be put on the why it was necessary to evacuate the family. I will try to meet Sonia Gandhi, I will try to meet Manmohan Singh. This justice simply is not acceptable. Then I will go on the fast.
So why fast?
दूसरा क्या गलती थी कि एप्लीकेशन में संगीता की सैलरी 4,500. I have no purpose in staying in this world. If my daughter cannot be secured, her honor cannot be restored, the false criminal cases cannot be withdrawn even by such a strong country of the 100 crores, then what is the purpose of staying in this country as a citizen?
We have seen the statement issued by the Manhattan US Attorney on December 18th. We need to keep in mind the simple fact that there is only one victim in this case. That victim is Devyani Khobragade, a serving Indian diplomat on mission in the United States. When there is a prior legal process already underway in India, the Manhattan US Attorney should consider it obligatory to enable justice to take its course in India in the first instance. When the legal process in another friendly and democratic country is interfered with in this manner, it not only amounts to interference but also raises the serious concern of calling into question the very legal system of that country. It is our considered view that this statement is one more attempt at a post facto rationalization for an action that should never have taken place in the first instance.